Hey guys, welcome to IQTell early review. I had a great honor to be invited to this early beta, and I'm pleased that somebody's doing a good job of integrating a lot of different services to to make it like a single workflow. And the idea behind IQTell is to integrate getting things done with the entire workflow, and at this point they did it pretty well. So you have different workspaces. I believe you can add more. This is my very first time I logged in, so I'm just like speaking my impressions as they happen. So I believe that you can add more workspaces, just like seems logical to me. Uh, yep, I'm getting all confused here, but these are the things that we can do. Okay, let's say books. I love reading. So yeah, I've moved the books over there. Save, sending data. Did the books show up somewhere here? As you can see, my my email and Evernote are going through an initial sync. Now, now my immediate privacy concern was like, oh my God, are they gonna have all my Gmail data or Evernote data? Well, apparently so, but I'm trying this out and I have full trust that Chaim, who invited me to this service, so I don't mind. As you can see, they integrated even the contacts, and I think it's gonna work through Google Contacts, I think, because at this point I just like can't seem to find can't seem to find a way to import all my iCloud contacts. Okay, so here's the, the dashboard inbox. I love the inbox. It immediately means that I can make something new. Short description or info. Okay, this is my first entry. And tags Mac online. Hmm. Where did he pull this out? Let's see what I have from tags. Oh my! Oh my! I like this. I like this. As you can see, it pulled all my Evernote tags into IQTell. It's making it already personalized and highly familiar environment. Okay, so new inbox item here. This is my first. I'm wondering now, is this gonna check sync to Evernote? Okay, let's like use some tag, arbitrary tag. Should I wrote? Funny, huh? And where should I expect for it to land? You can have another short description. Awesome. Just some arbitrary text. Save. Anyway, I gotta recommend these guys because they actually scheduled a session with me for Thursday, and on that session they're supposed to go through the all functionality with me, and I really appreciate that. It means that these guys are really putting into this service and just gonna make it better in the future. I firmly believe so. So okay, here we have inbox. Now this is the task right here. Then I'm wondering like what's going to happen next. I can take a look. Make it on and on. Yeah. Or maybe like okay, this is my first. It's gonna go to files. Oh, this is not a valid target. Okay, maybe to actions. This is not a very good initial video. You will hear me a lot of cusps and due date. I think this is like syncing to Google Calendar, which again, for me personally, it's not a very good thing because I'm using iCal. Oh my, initial sync is still going through process, but now we have my notebooks over there, which makes it really awesome. Now I'm wondering for the settings. I love checking out settings. As you can see, you can check out, you can choose your primary calendar, you can change using European style calendar, 24 hours. Oh, there's also Teams. Let's see. Okay. Let's see this different team because I'm not very fond of the team that make a review. Nice. It's quick adding, and I like this classic theme better. Has these icons make it like more memorable. Actions consist of subtasks. Okay. Projects. Click open. This is open. It works like an email in a way. Design is not very intuitive. It reminds me kind of Outlook, but the functions that I see here are rather good. They're rather good. I believe I can do a lot of my work here. I think it's exactly what I wanted. I'm still going through initial sync. I mean, good luck syncing that. You have like over a couple of gigabytes in my Evernote. So yeah. So now I'm wondering about the tags. It's really pulling out the tags from my Evernote, which is amazing. Calendar works with better. Calendar works with only Google Calendar. I gotta check if there is like other stuff that I can introduce it to these settings app. There are even keyboard shortcuts. Oh my god! Close current window. Select previous tab. Select next tab. Control save. Close all inactive tabs. Open calendar. Open inbox. Actions, projects, ticklers. Someday items. Good. Good, I like it. Oh, they have a tour. Guided tour. Somebody put really a lot of effort into this. Recycling. Oh, it's related to Evernote. Guess I gotta get back in. This is pretty raw, and I like it that way because this way I can make my impressions as they happen and tell them raw. That's like the best way to give feedback. Okay, apart from the design, and my design is like a big pet peeve of mine. there is not much that I would like to change here. It has everything that one GDD setup needs to have. I mean, I'm not following the GDD to that extent, but you can make a new project. Okay, like short description of the project. 7 steps to alpha efficiency. Just make upcoming ebook. Status open. Start date tomorrow. Tomorrow is not a valid entry date. Okay, start date. So I guess I'll have to use the day, month, year. Okay, there's a tick right here. How it's gonna make it? Oh, I need to put a timestamp too. Priority highest. Notes. Notes about a project. Do I really need all of this? Contacts. One. Rapid syncing. Contact list. Files. Choose files. Okay. Google Drive. It has Google Drive integration. Nice. And Dropbox. Not a bad thing, considering what kind of a learning curve OmniFocus has. Okay, so I want to give my final thoughts. Functionality brought to a maximum level. Dropbox integration, Google Drive integration, Evernote, Google Calendar. It's pretty much going to be a standard procedure for the future productivity apps. If you're not cross-platform integrating things, you're doing the wrong job. These guys are apparently doing a hell of a job, and it's going to work for a lot of people. Minuses for me as an Apple user, I didn't see an iCloud integration, not even in Tour. that is like a big problem for me. I can't import my contacts, I can't import my calendar. I can, but it's not frictionless. Again, and I'm not willing to move back to the Google Calendar as I used to be before. I like the email integration, that's making it ever more awesome. And that would be pretty much it from the positive aspects. It's like a cross-platform integrated workflow in a web browser. A lot of coding here done exceptionally well. And it works. It's really not laggy. Displays my Evernote notes, which is also good stuff. It's neatly integrated with the GDD. So far, so exceptionally well, and I like it that way. I really do. I wouldn't be surprised seeing myself using this platform. I'm still want to look into it, and that would be pretty much it. Next time I do a review on this is going to be on the iPhone app. So this is like an early review. Don't get me wrong, I'm not passing judgment here. I just wanted to share what I was using and what I found out with you, my